Okay, this video is for ladies. Why it is for ladies? Because now I am showing a gadget here. This gadget name is Loaf Maker. Okay, it's a Loaf Maker in front of you. It's a Loaf Maker in front of you. So I will show you. Which company it is made by. Sanford, touching your life every day. Sanford Loaf Maker. There are few parts of it. This is its power cable. Cap on this. Beside that, this is a controller of this loaf maker. It is a scale. You can increase your temperature from 0 to minimum and to maximum. If you want to cook your loaf, you will place it at maximum. Okay, this is the power and this is our ready. When it is going to be hot, this red will blink, and when it will completely hot and will ready to cook the loaf, then this will off and this will be on. What you will do, how you can cook your loaf in this loaf maker, in a roti maker. Okay, you first plug in your cable in a switch. Okay, you will plug in first. When you will plug in, then you will place it first at a minimum. Okay, then you will remove the cap and cover of this loaf maker. You place piece of loaf here. You can't place in the center and you can't place at this place. Why you can't place in center and on this place? Because when you will cover again, your loaf will slide on the forward direction. Okay, so you need to place at this place, and when you will place in this place, when you will cover it again, then it will equally spread on this loaf maker. Then it will spread completely on this place. Okay, it's the first thing. Second, when it will cook at the one side, you just change its side. Okay, and in the open state, you try to cook it on the other side. When it will cook little, then you just place this cover on it and lightly press from this handle and release slowly and smoothly. Then it will reopen again. Okay, and then your loaf will be prepared. So this is the proper procedure how to cook loaf roti in this loaf maker. Okay, if you found my video helpful for you, please like my videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you very much.